Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into the incredible health benefits of the leg lift exercise. This simple yet powerful exercise, often seen in yoga routines, can tackle various health issues. Incorporating this activity into your daily life can tone your body and ward off diseases. No special equipment or attire needed, just a wall. By making leg lifts a part of your daily routine, whether in the morning or evening, you can dramatically enhance both your physical and emotional well-being. This exercise is especially effective for relieving leg fatigue and pain. To do it right, lie on your back and lift your legs straight up, forming a 90-degree angle with your body. Start today and feel the difference. To do it right, lie on your back and lift your legs straight up, forming a 90-degree angle with your body. Keep your knees straight, and your head and body flat. Your arms should rest by your sides, and you can place a small roller under them if needed. Ensure you're comfortable, breathing calmly to reduce muscle tension. Today I will reveal to you 13 benefits of raising legs. Let's explore these benefits in detail. 1. Restoring intestinal motility. Raising your legs can significantly improve intestinal motility. This position enhances blood flow to the gastrointestinal tract, helping the intestines function more efficiently. Food digestion becomes more effective, and nutrients are better absorbed, while waste forms more appropriately. 2. Improved circulation. Elevating your legs encourages blood flow back to the heart, reducing the workload on your veins and preventing blood from pooling in your lower extremities. This can help alleviate swelling and reduce the risk of varicose veins and deep vein thrombosis, DVT. 3. Reduced leg swelling. Gravity often causes fluid to accumulate in the legs, leading to swelling. Elevating the legs helps drain excess fluid back into the circulatory system, reducing edema and providing relief from discomfort. Proper blood flow to organs enhances their function, ensuring your body operates at its best. Say goodbye to pain and swelling, and welcome stable emotional well-being. 4. Relief from varicose veins. Varicose veins are caused by weakened valves and veins in the legs. Raising your legs can reduce the pressure in these veins, preventing the formation or worsening of varicose veins and providing symptomatic relief. 5. Decreased leg fatigue and pain. Standing or sitting for extended periods can lead to leg fatigue and pain. Elevating your legs helps reduce the strain on leg muscles and joints, providing relief and improving overall comfort. 6. Enhanced lymphatic drainage. The lymphatic system helps remove waste and toxins from the body. Elevating your legs supports lymphatic drainage, reducing the risk of lymphedema and promoting overall detoxification. 7. Reduced lower back pain. Elevating your legs can relieve pressure on the lower spine, providing relief from lower back pain. This position allows the spine to decompress, reducing discomfort and improving spinal health. This symptom concerns many people of varying ages. Common causes include osteochondrosis, inflammatory joint diseases, spinal hernias, and spinal curvature. Back pain significantly limits daily activities. For sudden symptoms, immediate doctor consultation is essential. If you're aware of the potential causes of your pain and it's a constant issue, raising your legs upwards can help address it. 8. Improved relaxation and stress relief. The act of lying down with your legs elevated can promote relaxation and reduce stress. This position encourages deep, calm breathing and helps the body enter a state of rest, reducing stress levels and promoting mental well-being. 9. Better sleep quality. Performing leg elevation exercises before bed can help you transition to sleep more easily. This practice promotes relaxation, reduces discomfort, and helps the body wind down, leading to better sleep quality. Place a roller under your lower back to reduce skeletal strain and improve your sleep quality. the leg-raising exercise isn't just physical, it's also like a meditation session. It promotes full relaxation, a sense of lightness, deep breathing, and tranquility. 10. Prevention of blood clots. Prolonged inactivity can increase the risk of blood clots, particularly in the legs. Elevating your legs promotes circulation and reduces the likelihood of clot formation, making it a beneficial practice for those who sit or stand for long periods. 11. Enhanced post-workout recovery. After intense physical activity, elevating your legs can help reduce muscle soreness and inflammation. Improved circulation aids in the removal of metabolic waste products from the muscles, speeding up recovery and reducing the risk of injury. If hemorrhoids are already present, this leg-raising exercise can help alleviate symptoms. By improving blood flow and reducing pressure in the affected veins, it enhances the blood supply to pelvic organs. Elevating your legs improves microcirculation in the pelvic area, supporting better blood flow to the organs and muscles in this region. 12. Boosted energy levels. Improved circulation and reduced muscle fatigue can lead to increased energy levels. By regularly elevating your legs, you can reduce physical exhaustion and feel more energetic throughout the day. 13. Easing menstrual distress. Sometimes, this leg-raising exercise can even substitute pain medication, easing menstrual distress without the need for drugs. This gentle exercise doesn't require vigorous movement, making it perfect for use during menstruation. Its effectiveness in mitigating menstrual pain can be surprising, offering a natural and soothing approach to managing these symptoms. If you're short on time or find it hard to engage in sports, swimming, or running, this leg-raising exercise is perfect for you. Just 20 minutes in the evening before sleep can lead to a light and relaxed feeling. This exercise is straightforward and doesn't require any special equipment or assistance. To make it more enjoyable, consider reading a book, watching TV, or listening to music while lying on your back. This can positively impact your emotional and nervous system. For busy young mothers or those caring for infants, the leg elevation technique is an excellent way to alleviate discomfort. Remember to place a roll under your neck or lower back for support, and position your arms along your body with palms facing up or down. Focus on maintaining even and deep breathing. If you have any medical conditions, consult a doctor before performing this exercise. Avoid keeping your legs elevated for too long as it can reduce blood flow to the feet. The optimal time for this exercise is up to 20 minutes. Please share in the comments whether you like this leg elevation exercise and the effects you experienced. Let us know if it was effective for you and if you would recommend it to your relatives. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. I'd also be grateful if you could like the video and share it with your family and friends.